Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you when is SpaceX IPO opening date and how to apply. Let's get started. SpaceX has not officially announced an exact date yet, but major reports says the company is preparing to go public in 2026, most likely mid to late 2026, maybe around June to the end of the year, if market conditions are good. If SpaceX finally listed on the stock market, it could be one of the biggest IPOs ever, possibly raising over 25 to 30 billion dollars, a valuation around 1 to 1.5 trillion dollars. Now, how do you apply to buy SpaceX shares? Before the IPO, you can't buy SpaceX shares directly yet because it is still private. Once IPO is announced, you will need a brokerage app on your iPhone. Open your app and make sure your account is verified and funded before the IPO. On the IPO date, search for SpaceX. Once it listed, shares are available for public trading. You can place buy order like with any stock. IPO shares sometimes go fast, price can jump quickly. Some brokers offer pre-IPO access or allocation to customers. Check your app before the IPO date. So in short, SpaceX might IPO in 2026. Exact date is still unknown, and once it happens, you can apply through your brokerage app when trading begins. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.